How to recover unsaved notepad. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your files and folders. In here, search for the file of Notepad. Right-click on it, then go to Properties. After going on Properties, go to Previous Versions. Some of your unsaved files might be in here. If it's not here, simply go to Recycle Bin. After going on Recycle Bin, you may find your files in here. Simply right-click on it and then click on Restore. And that's how you recover unsaved Notepad. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.